Milwaukee, you guys don't make a snowblower, so I made my own. I would like to introduce you to the Milwaukee Power Shovel, or due to copyright, it is the My Back Hurts Power Shovel. It is a modified Snow Joe power shovel running off of a Milwaukee M18 battery. You can use pretty much any Milwaukee battery, and you actually don't even have to modify anything. It just works better if you do. And that was drilling just a couple holes. I'm doing this one-handed, so I'll show you later. Now, this is not considered, or to be considered, a big snowblower. This thing is a Snow Joe 40-volt snowblower. And once my batteries kick the bucket for this thing, which are going on 10 years now, I'm going to be modifying that to run off of two of my M18 12 amp hour batteries, which are like twice the capacity of the one that came with that. But in the meantime, that's it. So we're going to give this a try. Now this is a really weird or bad wet snow. This is like worst case scenario. For the light stuff, this power shovel is great, and being able to use my Milwaukee batteries means that's just one less battery line to carry. So let's give this a try. Let's go over here where this stuff's fun. Not too shabby. Actually handled the slush better than the blower did, the regular blower. It's also not easy doing this one-handed. That stuff's packed down pretty good. So that's enough doing that one-handed. Either way, this thing weighs, with battery, maybe 15 pounds. So two hands can be used pretty easily. And small, so it fits inside the car. Say hi.